Morning alignment, sunrise alignment. I choose my source-given freedom to consciously embody the source of my first eternal creation. I choose to align with my highest divine timeline. I choose to cast an anchor into the heart of Source and draw the line back, draw it through, all through and around me, and I open my sacred heart, and all that I am, and I surrender my ego. And I open this channel, this line all around me, down through me, through the earth, and back around to the heart of Source, creating an open flow and an endless channel of my highest divine blueprint timeline. I know and I am aware that I am in transformation. I know and I am aware that I am on the precipice of the change that I have been waiting for. I know and I am aware that these challenges that have been presented to me this week are the embers of the dam breaking, the last screeches and cries of an existence that is no more. And I choose to bring forth in front of me and recognize and see these things for what they are, and know them, and understand them, and embrace them, and transcend them. I choose to be a mirror, and when people look upon me, may they see the light within inside themselves, and may it shine brighter. And when I look upon them, may I always see the divine light within inside them as well. May I always know the truth of all things. I choose this. I give thanks and I receive thanks. I give thanks and I receive thanks. I give thanks and I receive thanks. And I have gratitude in all things.